Hey yo, what is up YouTube? I am Syed Kazmi and I am starting this YouTube channel named as Chainlink Simplified with Syed. And as the name suggests, it is focused on simplifying the integration of Chainlink technologies into smart contracts, walking through the tutorials given in the Chainlink documentation, simplifying anything related to Chainlink and whatnot. But before starting this, I want to give you a quick disclaimer. I am Chainlink community advocate and developer expert, but I am not associated with Chainlink Labs company, and this channel is not focused on any investment advices at all. So, see you all very soon in the first tutorial.